Hello there, welcome to Membership Websites. So in this video, we're going to have a look at the top menu just here and see how we can maybe change or customize some areas of that menu. Okay, so we know that the Contact Us form, when we click on it, takes us to Contact Us page. Yep, so if we click on Member Login, it takes us to the login page, and if we click on Get Listed Today, it takes us to the membership levels. So what we're going to do is we're going to go and into the admin area and we're going to change some of that. So we'll go to Toolbox, Menu Manager. We're going to go to the top header menu, click on Actions, and then click on Customize. And these four fields are the four fields that are being displayed: the telephone number, the Contact Us, the member login, and the members get listed today. So first of all, the phone number. The phone number is being pulled from General Settings. So in General Settings, on the first tab in General Settings, you can set the phone number for the website. So this is essentially what this code is doing. It's just pulling the contact number. But for this example, we don't want a contact number. So we're going to select to hide the item. For the Contact Us, we don't want that either. We're going to change it to feedback form. So we still want it going to the contact form, but we want to rename it as a feedback form. Member login, and we'll put in create account. We'll maybe take it to the join page as well, which is the same as the get listed today, just the one below it. We'll take that to login. We're just going to mess it up a wee bit. So we'll switch them two over. We'll save changes. So we can see now the custom menus, top header menu appears there. And if we go back to the main website, we'll refresh. The contact numbers disappeared. The feedback form is there. The member login / create account is there now, and members get listed. If you remember, the member login was taking us to the login, but I've asked it to take us to the join page. So we'll click on that and it's taking us to the join page. And the members get listed today was taking us to this page. If I click on that, it now takes us to login. Let's go back to the menu and let's click on edit. Let's go to the feedback form. So I want to add a button to the feedback form link, similar to this button here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the menu item CSS class, and we're going to type in btn space btn-info space, and we're also going to make it bold. So we're going to save that. We'll go back to the main website. We'll refresh it, and we can see now we've got a button around the feedback form. Let's do the same with the member login create account. So we'll go back to the admin section, and within the menu, we're looking at member login create an account. Click the cogwheel. Menu item CSS class, we're putting btn space btn dash, we'll put danger space and then bold. We'll save that, go back to the main website, refresh the main website, we can see we've now turned them all into buttons. So just so that you're aware, what I'm doing is I'm calling a button, but I'm calling a button variable as well. So the word info and the word danger are being called from settings and design settings. And when the page loads up, go into button colors, and the button colors that I called was info, which is this darker color here, which is being reflected on the front end for the feedback form. And I also called the danger button, which is this red button here, this red color. And again, on the main website, that's a red color there that's being called. So I could call primary, success, info, warning, danger, and default. Okay, and I can also set these colors to what I want. So if we go back to the main website and we look at the red one, what we'll do is we'll go into settings and we're going to change it to, let's go nice blue, a nice light blue color. So we'll choose. So now I've changed danger to this nice light blue color. If I click save, go back to the main website, we're looking at the member login button, and I'm going to refresh, and we can see now the new color is being called. I hope this video was helpful in looking at button colors, particularly for the top header menu. Thanks for watching.